good, life is good, yeah. Life is good, life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like.
Hey folks, it's Richard here from Bikepacking Adventures. What's pictured behind me? This is where I slept last night. Day 5 into my Netherlands trip, 1600 kilometers, 1000 miles. And look, I've got a little friend. I've got 2 friends. There's one, look. Hello. I've got another one as well. Hello. Something wrong with you, isn't there? Day not very pleasant. Arrived about 11 o'clock last night and just got where I could and now about to leave. I don't know if you saw it, but as I was moving the slugs, there's a dog walker watching intently, like, what's he doing? I'll pretend my dog's not on a pee, but really I'm looking at this idiot down the side of a cornfield. That grass is so wet. His legs must have got covered in water last night, and his shoes, oh, the inside of his shoes must be wet through. It's a good idea he didn't decide to put some new clean socks on. Yes, I did. New kit today. New kit day, yeah! After 4 days in those bib shorts, they're starting to get very uncomfortable. I need to throw them in the sea and hang them off here. I've got this long sleeve top on there at the moment, earring. It's a little bit damp. Oh, and I got a bit of a cut on day 2, I think. I've not done anything with it yet. In case you're wondering, if you might notice, I only got one glove on because the other glove got packed away. So I've had a no glove day, and now I've had a one glove day. It's the most colourful thing I've seen all morning. So this long sleeve vest is probably wetter now than I started with. It is miserable. Got some sights and sounds of Netherlands again to see. Now I haven't had the opportunity, or I haven't taken the opportunity to look what's on this ride, but I think there's some places called Appel Tour fairly early on, and Bortang. His abilities are good. So yeah, getting on to day 5, and the weather seems to be clearing. There's a bit of light at the end of the tunnel over there, and visibility is a lot better. So I've just gone for that easy good place, and I'm talking to one of these Franeker things. Really nice, enjoying that. I'll enjoy that now, and that's where I'm entering the national park, Drentsche. I don't know if it's a national delicacy or something, but they're really nice. I'm really gonna have to face this way out the wind. Oh, I also bought an apple punt. We'll have that as well. Oh. The world feels like a much better place when the sun finally makes an appearance. Until then, keep warm, eating stuff, keep on moving, try not to stop. Keep moving though. I've got back a bit of distance to do today. The screen at the beginning of the day said 186k. I've not been looking too closely at the numbers. Or I don't tend to look too closely early on because I kind of forget it at the back of my mind. And as the day drags on, you start to worry about it more and more. Yeah, so anyway, heading that way. Hopefully it's going to start clearing because It's a bit depressing when it's raining, isn't it? Anyway, it was a beautiful place to have a wee. Another day in the woods. I love cycling in forestry areas like this. You don't have a lot of this in the UK. And if you do, it's only short and sweet. After today, I'll be leaving it all behind as I head back towards the North Sea. And there'll be less forests around and things. Maybe even some sand dunes at some point in this trip. I do hope you've been enjoying the series up to now. If you haven't already, do hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and if you miss any of the early episodes, go back and watch them. Have a binge. Because a lot of this beautiful Netherlands in the autumn. I started this trip on the first day of autumn, and I love this time of year. Autumn, my favourite season. You get to enjoy the leaves coming off the trees, all the different colours. Yeah, it's beautiful. Is it your favourite time of year? If it isn't, let me know down below. I think most people who ride bikes would agree. They love the change of the seasons. Maybe not the winter so much, but still, it's great going out for a ride in a crisp cold morning, as long as there's ice about. I'm so excited, I'm so excited, the sun is out. It's bloody windy though, the wind's gone up. I'm going to be facing that a little bit later on. Oh, yeah, happy days. You might get dry after all. Things are getting dry. So see this kind of road here, it's called Harvey. It's very uncomfortable. That's where the suspension's coming in really well. Yeah, it's uncomfortable by nature, but the suspension is just taking the ease off. So for those who don't know, an ambassador for Redshift, and they sponsored me on this trip. So I've got a full suspension seat post, and there's a stem hide in there as well somewhere, and it's really, really good. Just taking the edge off a little bit, you know. It means I can go faster and not fatigue as soon. That sun's getting warm. I might have to take my rain jacket off soon. And where am I going to put it? Because that's my washing there. It's a washing line. To the camera on like dodging conkers falling out of trees. I was actually just going to point you to these little trails that here. Lots of them. I'd hate living around here. Those sandy lanes. You need a 4x4. One of those rare occasions a 4x4 can come in useful. Or an SUV at a push. Because the SUVs most of the time are a waste of space, aren't they? The amazing cycle infrastructure hasn't reached these parts yet. Well, that's annoying. I must have gone through Boateng either last night or first thing this morning. If it was first thing this morning in the daylight, I would have known. So, I don't know. But yeah, I'm not that far from Groningen now. which is kind of annoying. There's a park coming up in a minute. I really need to get my camping stuff dry, so I might just hang it up in a couple of trees if I can find somewhere suitable. It's not too windy, but windy enough. I can see it's very choppy. I'm not going any further because I'm not really a good swimmer, and it's not the best spot, but it's better than nowhere. You could keep looking and looking and looking, can't you? But it's looking a bit lame there. But I'm not going climbing trees too much. Maybe I need to do one at a time. Well, I managed to avoid the wind for so long, but today it's caught me. It's out in the open as well, direct headwind. I left Groningen so some 10k ago. I'm just heading whatever's next. It's very slowly, grindy. I'm only bringing the camera right now because there's a bank there and I'm heading north, so I'm somewhat protected from the westerly. Yeah, but it's quite beefy wind. Yes, I know I'm from Lincolnshire, but Lincolnshire is not flat. Let me tell you, again, Lincolnshire is not flat. Time to change batteries on the GoPro. Well, you know what I mean. So windy. Right, where am I now? I'm over there somewhere. Anyway, that's the name of the place. Garnwerd. So I'm all over there. Garnwerd, as in Garn with the wind. I can hear thunder. I can't linger. Oh, there I am. Look, just there. I'm going all the way off there somewhere. Day 5's running to a close, and it's been so windy. And you guessed it, this is where I am today. Domino's, nice restaurants and everything here in Dokkum. But I just been in the supermarket and I was like, oh, someone on a Domino's bike. So I've checked into Domino's. Maybe not the most affordable, but yeah, the last 30k or so has been absolute murder. Really slow work, and I'm hungry, so just ordered like large loaded fries, 29cm pizza, whatever that is. It's like a ruler size, isn't it? So what's that? Yeah, it's quite big. So looking forward to tucking into that. Ordered a couple beers. Well, from supermarket, bought loads of liquids, some yogurts, some melons. Not really much food, just enough for tonight and take me into tomorrow morning. I think it's going to be really windy again tomorrow. Fingers crossed it's not, but I think it is. I think it might even be windier, looking at the app earlier. Anyway, I'm going to tuck into this. Really looking forward to it. Yummy. Well, I wasn't going to film anymore until the morning, but this is Dokkum. Isn't that beautiful? Very charming. See the clock face, it's 7:15 in the morning, and that's not because I got up super early, not at all. Absolutely awful night. Storms come through, very high winds, lots of rain, and I put a tent up in the banks of a river, and I knew it was going to rain, just didn't know how windy it's going to be. I pissed it down, it was okay, and then the wind came and I started to panic and kept holding out, and I lost my ear bud thing, so I couldn't block out the noise, and I started packing everything away. I was just so drenched at 3:30 in the morning. Went under a subway, started messing about with clothes and stuff like that. felt like a right rough sleeper. I threw on my, I kept these on, these, I don't know what you call them, puffy pants, so they're wet through, and I cycled with them in the pouring rain, like 3 miles or something like that. And I've just been cycling on and off since, really, just keeping going. And I'm in a little town called Franeker, just trying to keep warm. I've just managed to find a place out of the wind. So this is my start of day 6. What's going to happen next? If you want to find out, it'll be in the next video. If you have been enjoying up to this point, give it a thumbs up. Let me know about your visits to the Netherlands. Have they been dramatic as mine in this wind, which is absolutely horrendous? It's between 75 and 100 kilometers an hour. Doesn't seem to bother the Dutch though, still cycling everywhere. Anyway, hit subscribe and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye. Coming up next time on Bikepacking the Netherlands. Oh my god, oh my god! There's actually no protection for the wind here. Get absolute battering. How do the locals manage it?
Life is good, yeah. Yeah.